Good morning, dear students. We were studying the multimedia communication networks. In that, we have seen telephone network. Then, second one is the data network. Then, broadcast television network, integrated service digital network. Then, broadcast multiple service network. So, telephone network, we have seen POTS, plain old telephone services, right? Then we have seen international gateway, mobile switching centers. What is GMC? Gateway Mobile Switching Center, PSTN, PBX Private Branch Exchange, switches, digital transmission using modem, modulation, demodulation. This all we have seen. Today we will see about the data network. Today we will see data network. Data network. Here data network is nothing but it is the basic data communication services such as email, file transfer, SMS, MMS, etc. See here. So this slide you can see. Data communication is email, general file transfer, MMS, SMS, and etc. So here to communicate this data communication, we are using different networks. Earlier it was X.25. Nowadays we are using internet. X.25 was the small or a low bit rate, but internet is a high bit rate. See here, X.25 is a low bit rate, internet is a high bit rate. So these are the data communication network. These are the data communication network for user at home and small business. We are using internet. To do the internet, we should have internet service provider. So which company we are using, right? The companies are providing with the help of public switch telephone network and ISDN. Public switch telephone network and ISDN. See here, internet service provider is there. With the help of that, we are using public switch telephone network or ISDN, integrated service digital network. For the large business, this instead of using that, we are using intranet. We are using internet where the users are more. We are using internet. You can see here, we are using intranet where the enterprise wide platform network is there. There we have intersite backbone network where the plenty of users are there. Then at last you can say packet mode. Packet mode is nothing but there will be header and a payload. What do you mean by header and payload? For example, if the information data you want to send, for example, you want to send some important documents through the post, what do? You keep that in an envelope. In the envelope you write the address, right? Name, detail, street, then pin code, everything you write. So that is nothing but a header. Header is nothing but which address. Payload is nothing but information, right? So one diagram I have drawn here. You can see here. In that diagram they are trying to explain. 1 minute. They are trying to explain the data network, that is nothing but selection of the network types connected to the internet. So different PCs you can see here where they are connected to the internet backbone LAN, where the different LANs are there. Then it is given to different PC through the help of gateway. Gateway is the connecting device which is used in a network layer. So in the computer networks you have seen there are different layers: application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. For the network layer we are using gateway. For the physical and data link layer we are using switches, hubs, right? So with the help of that global internet network, it is further connected to the gateway, okay, that is given to the home or the user. It will access via public switch telephone network with the help of modulation, demodulation, that is modem, or we can use ISDN services. So it is further connected to different gateways. We can connect n number of LANs. Okay, we can connect different n number. So we will give the quick revision here what we have studied. Okay, you can just see we have studied what all. We have studied what is the data communication services, that is email, file transfer, MMS, SMS, right? Then we have seen what is data communication network, that is we can, earlier it was X.25 low bit rate, then we have gone for high bit rate, that is internet. Okay, next we have seen for that internet you should have you should have internet service provider, that is public switch telephone network, ISDN, etc. Then for the intranet we are using enterprise wide provider network, internet backbone network, gateway, and packet mode. Packet mode we are using header and payload. Header is a address, payload is a information. Till then, take care and revise all the parts. Okay.